Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. In this video, I will show you how to create real estate Facebook ads step by step in simple and easy way. So, let's get started. First, log in into your Facebook account. On the left side, you will get an option Ads Manager. Just click on that. Before creating new ad, let me quickly show you the result of one of our real estate ads. From this ad, we get 150 plus leads in around 4500 rupees only. Lead cost was around 31 rupees. We get 20 site visits and 40 plus positive calls by this ad. You can also see here 150 and we get 18,375 reach and 33,000 impressions with cost around 31 rupees per lead. This was an affordable segment project and nearby position. Friends, always keep in mind project budget, project location, project stage and builder always matter to generate quality leads in preferred budget. Now, let's create new ads so you can see exactly how to generate leads within your budget. Click on Create button. See, there are multiple options to create a campaign like awareness campaign, traffic campaign, engagement campaign, leads, app promotion and sales. If you want to get more likes and followers at your page deck, then you can go with engagement campaign. If you want to generate more leads, then you can go with leads campaign. If you have any application or you want to promote, then you can go with app promotion. If you want to sell anything at Facebook, then you can go with sales campaign. In this video, I will tell you how to generate leads, then we will go with leads campaign. Just click on continue option. Then again, we have two more options. Tailored lead campaign, then manual leads campaign. In the first option, tailored lead campaign, you will get limited options to create your campaign. In manual lead campaign, you will get few more steps to create your campaign. Let's choose first one, tailored lead campaign. Now, choose any name for your campaign. Then scroll down your page and you can set your daily budget here. I set 450 rupees for per day. Now you can choose your date and time to start your campaign. Now edit your locations. Choose only limited location to get good result. If you will go with Pan India, then maybe you will not get good leads or good result from your campaign. I will choose only Delhi NCR locations like Faridabad, Gurgaon. Then uncheck this option, then scroll down and see age is also a great factor for any campaign. If you will go with 18 plus, then maybe you will get junk leads or fake leads. Always try to capture the original customers or actual buyers for your property. I will go with minimum 30 years and maximum 55 years. Now this is also one of the most important part. You can define your audience here. You can choose interest, then behavior, demographics. Who can actually buy your property? Who can invest in real estate? You can find your audience here. Like if someone is interested in land and houses, or someone is property finder, or real estate investing. These are interest for your audience. Like wealth management, real estate, new apartments. Don't add multiple audience here. Try to choose limited and perfect audience for your campaign. Now let's find some behavior also. People who prefer high quality goods in India, or engage shoppers. Then you can also choose frequent travelers. We have also filtered your audience here. Like in first segment, we choose who may be interested in your property. In second segment, we choose if they are interested and how they behave. According to behavior, you will get your leads here. First, you will check the interest of your audience, then filter according to your behavior. Now click on next option. You can also give any name here, add name. Then click on create form. With this form you will capture all the leads of your customers. See, we have multiple forms here, but we will create new form with this head. If you want to choose old form, you can also go with that, or you can also create new form. Don't worry, we will create new form with this campaign. First, it will ask a form name. Give any name according to you, and form type, always go with higher intent. Choose second option. Keep it same, then click on next button. I think 3 options are enough to capture the leads: name, email and phone number. I think we have missed something. Just click on intro. Yes, you also need to give a headline for your campaign. Add a unique and appealing headline here. In description box, give key highlight of your project. Or you can say project highlight, details of project. These details will show with your form. You can also see at the right side of this page. Whatever you are typing here, it is visible in the right section. See. Now you also give the description here. Lets people know how this information they give you will be used or shared. Just paste this privacy policy content here. Like, we don't share your details with third parties. We respect your privacy. Then click on next button. Then here it will ask a privacy policy link from you. You can use your website link and type in this box. At the end of form, you can also give your contact number. Just choose call business and give your phone number. After fill the form, you need to display thank you message. Just add the thank you message in the description box. After that, give your phone number. Call now text box. You can type any message here. Like, you can visit your website, you can explore more projects. We will call you shortly. Thank you. Our team will call you shortly. Choose proper contact number here. Then after that, click on create form. See, your form has been created. Now the last part of this campaign is setup creative. This is also the most important part of your campaign. You need to choose impressive and appealing creative here. And also remember, tick only first option, original. Then click on next button. Then again it is asking for primary text. You can also use the same content, also use the same project highlight here and choose a different tagline in headline option. Add some description and choose the call button, like whatever you want to show during your campaign. After fill all the details, just click on next button. Keep it default and click on done. Now your campaign is ready. After click on publish button, it will live within 5 to 10 minutes. If you face any issue while creating your ad campaign, just drop a comment below. I will try to resolve it. Thank you friends. Don't forget like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos about digital marketing and all. Thank you.